Okay, here's this camera. It's a Panasonic HC-V270, and after I open it, it displays this message, check card, and a red card sign is there. Okay, so let's format the memory card. So tap here in the lower left corner, go to menu, go to the right one, the setup, and come down, press the down arrow until you get to the 6th page out of 8, and here we have format. Click on format. Do you want to format the card? Yes. We'll erase all contents. Do you want to continue? Yes. I don't have anything on the card. If you have, then back up all your data. So I will format it. The memory card is being formatted inside this camera. The card itself is here. It's writing onto it. It's red. The LED is on. Now it's off. And it says finished. Let's go to exit. And now it's green. And we should be able to record. So press the record button. Now it's recording. There's my hand. Stop it with the button. Let's preview it. Press the top button, that one, and here's the video that we just created. So recording was successful. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and let's delete this video. Back on it, there's the recycle bin icon. Yes, delete it. And there is no data on the memory card. So to exit from here, press the top button. Now it's in recording mode. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.